Morning. I want to show you guys how I look post-op day 8.
If you want a larger one, we can just swim in the community.
And no, he did not drive with him. He did. No, he did not drive anywhere with him on his lap. He just put him in the car just now. Look at my baby. You can't even see over the steering wheel. Hi, baby. Were you driving? He loves outside. Oh my God.
Wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. Oh, and I say, oh, it's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up. Yeah, and I'll be right here with you too. I got my features out in Georgia. Oh yeah, shit. I get my weed from California. That's that shit. I took my trip up to the north, yeah.
Good morning, guys. Today is Sunday. Today is 2 weeks post-op.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn onto 2nd Avenue.
I am on the way to, I'm on the way to my follow-up appointment. It is 8:24. I'm supposed to be there at 9. I'm like 7 minutes away, so hopefully, you know, New York City will let me be great and find parking right away. I made it this early on purpose on a Sunday, just so it would be easier for me to come down here and find parking. So hopefully that, you know, that is what it is, and I have enough time to do that, because that would be bad. So I'll let you know how the post-op goes after I get out of there, and I'll talk to you in a bit. I'm here. I found parking right away, thank goodness. At first I drove past the area that I parked at before, and I got nervous because all the spots were taken up. But I went up one more street and boom, found a spot right around the corner. So I'm literally parked between, where am I? Between Madison and 5th on 57th Street. So I literally just have to walk around the corner and I'm there. I'm parked right outside the Louis Vuitton store with that new collection that's so pretty with the dots. I'm gonna go look in the window. But because I'm here, I have half an hour. So I'm super happy that, you know, I left when I did and I got parking right away. So it's gonna be a good day. And I hope and pray that when I go in there that they tell me that everything looks good and I'm healing well and blah, 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 blah. So I forgot to tell you guys, I hope that these people don't have no attitude with me when I go in there. And I'll tell you why. Because I was supposed to come here last week for my first week post-op. And it was scheduled for a Monday. So that Sunday I called because I was like, I had all intentions of taking the train down here. And last week I felt worse than this week. So I got up Sunday. I was like, ain't no way. And I had to be here at 10. I was like, ain't no way I'm going to get up for 6 o'clock in the morning in the cold, drive to the train, take the train for 2 hours to be here for 20 minutes to go back on the train. Like, it would have been such a hassle during rush hour with people going to work and people bumping me, and like it was going to be so much. So I called and I said I'm not going to make it. So I rescheduled. I asked to speak to a nurse to find out like what I should be doing differently this past week, you know, to ensure that I'm still doing everything that I need to do to heal correctly. So they gave me all the instructions and all that, and I made the post-op date for today. Do you know, yesterday morning, I woke up to a voicemail that said, we need to cancel your appointment and reschedule. Please give us a call back. I was like, oh, no, buddy. No. So I called them right back, like within 5 minutes. And I said, you know, I can't cancel this appointment. This is now pushing it out. And I want to make sure that, you know, I'm healing and everything is going well. And they had the nerve to say to me, well, we have to cancel it because now both nurses, that we only have 2 nurses this on Sunday morning, and they're both going to be in surgery. What I wanted to say was, who told you guys to schedule surgery knowing that you had, you know, appointments with people in the morning? Now, I didn't say that because, you know, anything could have happened. That's just me thinking about myself. But maybe they had another nurse and she is sick or something, or, you know, whatever. Anything could happen. So I was like, benefit of the doubt, whatever, be nice. Be a good human, Marquetta, be a good human. So me as a good human, but also thinking about myself, told her this is going to push me out. And she said, it's okay to be pushed out a week. I said, no, now this is 2 weeks because last week I couldn't make it. And you guys are very accommodating and I appreciate it. But I cannot come another day because I have to work, and I work next Sunday as well. So literally, this is my only day and time that I could come. And she said, okay, let me speak to a manager and I'll get right back to you. And she came back to the phone. She was like, it's okay, you can come in at 9. So I am very curious to see if they have an attitude with me today, you know, in 20 minutes. Or if they, am I seeing a nurse? Am I seeing just a patient care specialist? Am I seeing a doctor? Am I seeing the doorman that is downstairs checking for security and stuff? Am I seeing the homeless guy in the corner? Like, who is going to see me and check my belly out? Who? So I'm very curious about that. So I'll let you guys know about that when I come back in. But I have 10 minutes before I start walking over there, and then I'm still gonna be there 5 minutes early. So you know what? I'm gonna walk over there in 5 minutes, not in 15 minutes, not 10. So I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna go on YouTube and I'm gonna check out Miss Peyton Charles' video for the next 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll talk to y'all in a bit. All right, I'm heading in. On my way out, I gotta show you guys this bag that I want. I gotta figure out a way to get this bag because I love it. It took me 2 minutes to walk in here. I don't even think they're open for another 7 minutes. I guess we'll see. Done with my appointment. So far, everything's looking good. The nurse that saw me definitely said that I should get some massages. She said that it'll help speed up the healing process with all the hardness and everything. So I'm gonna do that. I already looked someone up, so I'm gonna try to get that done as soon as possible. Hopefully I can do it next week. Do one of them next week. She said it is gonna hurt like a bitch, but I should do it anyway because I need to speed up this healing. So anyway, about to get in the car. Let me show you this display. How creepy is that? It's like creepy and cool at the same time. That's the designer. And this is the bag that I want. I love that bag.